Hello and welcome to the course on Payment Gateway Business for E-commerce. In this course, we'll be talking about what is a payment gateway, how does it help an online merchant to accept payment from a customer, and that too in a secure format. Our other courses that we have developed on e-commerce and digital banking is the first one we have developed is on digital payments, card and POS machine business. This is considered to be the core course of our other digital payment courses. Why I'm saying that? Because if you have done this course on digital payment, card and POS machines, it will be much easier for you to understand payment gateway course and also QR code based payments. In this digital payment, we have talked about MCC, MDRs, how settlement happens, what happens when you swipe a card, or how does a POS machine works. We have also talked about PCI DSS. So once you have done this course, it will be much easier for you to understand different concepts and terminologies used in QR code based payment course and also in this payment gateway. However, if you're already working in a digital payment space, or if you have done a similar course, then it will be easier for you to understand QR code based payments, where we have talked about how QR code can be used in digital payment, the global examples, and how does it work at the back end. In this payment gateway course, we are talking about that how payment gateway can be used by the merchant and what are the back end processes. So we'll go with the content in this video. And then we have also developed a course on open banking, PSD2 and GDPR. Now open banking is considered to be the hottest topic in financial technology, where banking company and non-banking companies as well are delivering their financial services using APIs, and they are just opening up their structure to distribute their services through different partners. And hence it is called open banking, because banking is getting open not because they want, because they are being forced by the regulators and also by the rising demand or the increasing demand of the consumers. So we will look at what is open banking, PSD2, and what is GDPR, which is about the data protection and the personal data protection policies. So let's see what we will study in this course on payment gateway. So here in this course, we will first look at the overview of the payment gateway business. Then we will understand who are different parties involved in a payment gateway. Then we will talk about what are different types of transaction, like honors, offers, card present, card not present. Then we'll talk about what are 3 tiers in a payment gateway business. Then we will talk about how does a transaction flows into a payment gateway business. Then we will cover some aspects of PCI DSS in payment gateway, where we'll talk about different integration models. So whenever you will approach any payment gateway, you can tell them that how they can integrate their payment gateway in your business or on your website. So we'll talk about that. Chargeback and refunds, processing, clearing and settlement, fund flow settlement, how does a fund flow after the payment is done, what are the critical evaluation factors. So whenever you will go to a payment gateway to negotiate the prices, or to an acquirer bank to negotiate prices, what are few things that you have to consider while evaluating the efficiency of that payment gateway. Then we will look at what are the risks involved into payment gateway. Then we will have a look on verified by Visa and MasterCard secure code, what it is and how does it help to make the payment secured. And at the last, we will talk about strategy and negotiations. Here we will give you a few tips on what will happen whenever you go to a payment gateway or to an acquirer to negotiate on price. So what are those different points on which you can negotiate, and how can you design a strategy around your merchant website, or if you're in a payment gateway business. Before we get into the course, I would like to give you a disclaimer. In the entire course, we have used a lot of text and lesser of images. The reason being that while images are much easier to look at and are more presentable, more texts help you to revisit the concepts again and again. So whenever you look at those texts, you understand that this is what it means. However, there is a caution. What many students do is that they just read the text, skip the video part and then move forward. While it may help you in some way while revisiting the course, however, at the first point while we are delivering this training, I would request you that if you want to get maximum benefit of this course, please do complete entire course and listen to each word. Why? Because the text written here are just facts. If not in this video or in this course, you will get these facts in some way or the other on the website as well. But the purpose of this course is not to look at text, but the purpose of this course is to understand what does that text means, number one, and how we are delivering or adding our experience into that text. That matters a lot. You can read these facts, you can search on the Google or on the website, and you will find all the text which is written there in some way or the other. There are definitely more additions from my side, but then the main reason is that while we are delivering the session, we have the experience in payment gateway business, and hence we work on the business and technology intersection. Why we are delivering this course? Because when I was trying to find out the course on the web, I found that either the courses were too generic, where everybody was talking about how global banks are working, the data and the numbers, where everybody's talking about that how fintech will grow, how payments will grow. But I wanted to understand that how does a technology work at the back end, and what does that mean for a business. Hence, this course is neither a too technical course and not too generic. So there's a thin line which will help you to cross the line between business and technology. That will be very seamless, and you will be able to understand it much better. And because we were not able to find that course, hence we decided to release few courses on digital payments and on digital banking, which will be a very nice combination of technology and business. So keeping that thought in mind, we have developed this course. Hope you will like it, and we are already excited to see you in the course. So till the time, think about payment gateway business for e-commerce. See you in the course. Take care.